Ever ordered a Greek salad before and amazed with how well all those veggies come together? Well, let's give a round of applause to the Greek Vinaigrette! Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a step in the right direction. By the end of this video, you'll have another Greek salad dressing recipe that builds off the foundational recipe for any salad herb dressing. Okay, so this one is different from the last recipe video on Ladolemono, or the basic Greek salad dressing. Okay, so please watch all the way to the end for tips and health benefits, and let's get started.
What you're gonna need is a container with a tight-fitting lid, measuring spoons, and our oil, 3 tablespoons, vinegar, 1 tablespoon, dried oregano, 1 tablespoon, and minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon. Close it up and shake it up for 10 seconds.
If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness.
And there you have it, Greek vinaigrette.
For most dressings, the ratio is 3 to 1. 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. In this case, we're making this an herb dressing as well, so we're adding 1 part dried herb. So that is 3, 1, and 1 for salad herb dressings.
To make a super simple side salad, all you need is 2 cups worth of romaine lettuce, typically used in Greek salads, and 1 tablespoon of this Greek vinaigrette. That's it. Toss and enjoy.
Time to go in for a taste test. It tastes very different from the Ladolemono dressing. It's definitely more vinegary. So if you're looking for that instead of lemon, this is the dressing to go with. A little bit about the health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil helps manage cholesterol. Red wine vinegar can reduce the effect of a spike in blood sugar from carbs, helpful for those who have pre-diabetes or diabetes. Oregano has antioxidants that can reduce the risk of cancer. And lastly, garlic can help boost the immune system. I hope this Greek vinaigrette inspires you to make your own Greek salad or any veggie combination salad that you'd like to try. And stay tuned for that episode in the future. The bonus tip here is that you can use this dressing for roasted veggies, whole grains, and also as a marinade. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Next week, we're gonna continue on with this basic salad dressing recipes so you can eat more veggies for your body and the planet. See y'all next Wednesday. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.